Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Ijan Furqan Quotes 99. Let's introduce myself. My name is Ijan Sepul Furqan and study program in English Education Universitas Majalengka this semester 5. This video and this time I want to present about journal and article analysis and review. Next. The title is Journal is Multilingual Learning Model for Islamic Boarding School Indonesia. The author. And the outline of article review. The goal is this study investigates the multilingual learning model in Pesantren school and the method. This research is quantitative research by applying ground theory. Quantitative research aims to collect data on research subject to gain in-depth insight into interesting phenomena. The data collected will be analyzed and interpreted descriptively or narrative. Ground theory is systematic methodology that invokes finding theory through data analysis. And the result of the study found that multilingual school learning model applies in simultaneous sequential model with several stages to result in the student changing from monolingual to multilingualism and ultimately to mono-multilingualism. And the conclusion. Based on the results of reading, I get to conclusion that the learning model in the school multilingual Pesantren applies a simulation sequential model with several stages to encourage students to change from one language to one language multilingualism and ultimately to monolingualism. This begins through several stages, namely building student fluency and confidence in using first language, second language, and third language orally for daily communication. Then teaching speaking second language and third language by introducing reading and writing second language and third language. Then building second language and third language oral and written in particular. The next, literature. The learning model is plan or pattern that is used as the guide in training the learning process in class. In the other next work, learning is a planning model or pattern that can be used to design face-to-face pattern. Pass the teaching and learning process in the class and determine learning material including book and media as course for learning bin tahir. States that as models direct teacher in the designing learning to help students achieve learning goals. State that the learning model is a learning model to help students obtain information, ID, skill, values, way of thinking on and tool to express themselves. Prefers the term learning model based on two important reasons. First, the term model denotes a broader meaning than approach. Strategies, method, and technique. Any development of approach, strategies, method, and technique is the systematic procedure. Is the carried a model. Second, the model is the important mean of communication both for teaching process and procedures. in the classroom, presenting material, discussing, observing, and controlling students, practicing language. Multilingualism is defined as the person's ability to speak or communicate in the two or more languages separately or different levels of communication, where different languages are actively used in everyday communication is multilingual society. Multilingualism is not about what multiple languages can do for the people, but about what people with multiple languages can do. This means that there are some people who master many languages, but do not actively use them in daily communication, so that it is called multilingual mono and multilingual learning model generally adopt bilingual learning model such as when the ESL model program consist of ESL withdrawal, ESL trace periods, and lesser control. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and see you later to the next video and the next day. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let's say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.